So now we're gonna learn about the fraction of class 7. Okay, so the fraction, the subject which we have choose for the mathematics of class 7 is a very important one, because without fraction it will not help you out for doing any kind of maths process. So let me start this. First of all, we need to know about the fraction. What is fraction? A fraction is a quantity that expresses a part of the whole. For example, 3 by 7, 1 by 4, 7 by 3 and 4 by 1 are the examples of the fraction. In fraction, what happens? The main thing is that x by y, x is called a numerator and y is called a denominator, because x by y, we should take it as x as a numerator and a y as a denominator. So whatever the digit we get in fraction as 3, for example 3 by 7, so 3 will be numerator and 7 will be exactly denominator. Fractions are classified as follows. For first one, as proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction in which numerator is less than its denominator. What is called the proper fraction? The proper fraction is the number which is less than the denominator, the number which will be on the other side. Okay, so the 3 by 7, for example 3 by 7, the 3 by 7 is a proper fraction, because proper fraction number, because 3 is less than 7 and 3 is the numerator and 7 is denominator. Okay, what is improper fraction? Improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator. It's called improper fraction. For example, 7 by 3. 7 by 3, what is called 7 by 3? 7 by 3. So 7 is numerator, 7 is numerator here, here 3 is denominator. So it's a proper example for improper fraction. Okay, and what is called the mixed fraction number? Of mixed fraction consists of two parts, an integrate and a proper fraction. For example, 2 1 by 3, 1 5 by 7, 7 3 by 11. Okay, they are the examples of mixed fraction. So how we gonna do is that, for example, if numerator and denominator of a fraction are interchanged, the new fraction so obtained is called reciprocal or multiplicative inverse in the given fraction. For example, 3 by 4 is the reciprocal of 4 by 3, or 3 by 4 is the reciprocal of 3 by 4. Okay, so what we gonna do, for example, we came to know, if for example, if 4 by 3 into 3 by 4. Okay, so if we see this 4 by 3 or 3 by 4 is if we do the fraction over here, so 4, we will cut 4 into 4, 4 1 are 4, and here 3 1 are 3, so what will be the answer is 1. Okay, and that is called the reciprocal fraction. Now what is the comparison of fraction? The comparison of fraction means to find out which of the given fraction is greater or which is smaller. For example, compare the fraction of 7 by 9 and 5 by 7. We will get the solution by like this. Okay, so if we write down, compare the fraction 7 by 9 and 5 by 7. So what we gonna do for solution, we will write over there 7 by 9 into 5 by 7. So we have to calculate, we have to multiply this fraction to each other, and for that the 7 by 9, which is 7 here in numerator, and 5 by 7, which is 7 is here in denominator, there will be cross multiplication over here. Okay, so 7, the numerator 7 will be multiplied by denominator 7, and here 9 by 5, 9 7 by, and here 9 into 7, 9 will be multiplied with 5, so here will be the cross multiplication over here. So 7 7 is 49 and 9 5 is 45, 9 5 is 45. So since what gonna happen, 49 is greater than 45, so 49 is greater than 45, so what is gonna happen, so 45, we will do this, 49 is greater than 45, or we can write it as 7 by 9 is greater than 5 by 9. Okay, so this is all about the fraction over here you have to do regarding this multiplication. Okay, there are lots of more kind, there are lots of many kind of fractions over here, so we will be gonna do it afterward. So we're gonna end this video right now. Till end, bye bye.